If you're an SDR or AE and you're not optimizing your emails for mobile, you're making a huge mistake, and I'm going to show you why. I'm William Balance, co-founder and CEO of Lavender. If you don't know, Lavender is an AI-driven, real-time email assistant and coach that helps you get more replies to your sales emails in less time. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite features and one that's unique to Lavender. That's our mobile preview and mobile editor. When I was a sales rep, I spent I don't know how much time sending my emails to my phone first to make sure they look good on mobile before hitting send to my prospect. I knew it was important, but I didn't know just how important it was. In reality, your prospect is 8 times more likely to open your email on their phone first. They may come back to it on their computer later, or they may not. What happens is they're in a meeting or they're on the go, they're on Zoom, they get a notification on their phone, they quickly open the email, scan it, classify it as is this important or not, and then determine if they're gonna come back to it later. What happens next is that they get in number of new emails in the meantime, and then they never get back to your email. So it's really important that you win that experience on mobile when you have the shot. We received this email recently from an SDR, and honestly, it's not that bad. It's more concise and to the point than a lot of the emails I receive, but Lavender still calls it out as not mobile optimized. Really, a lot of the emails I receive look more like this. They're much longer and even worse when it comes to viewing on mobile. As you can see, it requires me to scroll. You want to keep your emails above the fold, meaning it does not require your reader to scroll to read the message, which this rep did, so credit to him where credit is due. There's still some ways to optimize his email. For example, this sentence that Lavender's underlining is 6 lines on the phone. In general, 1 line on the computer takes up 2 lines on the phone. That's the rule. You could also look at the first paragraph and break that up some to add some more white space, better formatting, and make it easier to scan because your readers are not reading your email line by line and word by word. They are scanning your email very quickly, especially when they're on mobile. So adding white space breaks it up, makes it easier to scan, and gives them a better experience. Combine that with a simple to-the-point email that makes it really easy for them to respond, and your reply rates will go up.